You can't live without your liver. If your liver no longer functions, known as liver failure, your only hope of staying alive is by having a liver transplant. You can protect liver health and lower the risk of liver cancer and other forms of liver disease by eating the following foods. These foods raise antioxidant enzyme levels while offering protection from harmful toxins. Cruciferous vegetables. Studies indicate that cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and Brussels sprouts may increase the liver's natural detoxification ability and improve blood levels of liver enzymes. They also help protect your liver from damage. Berries. Berries are antioxidant powerhouses and are believed to boost immune responses. Fatty fish. Fish is a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are important for both your liver and your brain. Your body doesn't produce omega-3s, so you have to get them from outside food sources. Nuts. Nuts generally contain unsaturated fatty acids, vitamin E, and antioxidants. These compounds may help prevent non-alcoholic fatty liver disease while reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. Olive oil. Studies show that extra virgin olive oil may help reduce the prevalence of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease in older adults at high cardiovascular disease risk. Grapefruit. Grapefruit contains several primary antioxidants that reduce inflammation and protect liver cells. Grapes. A number of animal and human studies seem to indicate that grapes and grapeseed extract increase antioxidant levels and fight inflammation. Prickly pear. Prickly pear fruit and juice may help protect the liver from damage caused by alcohol overconsumption. Coffee. Coffee lowers inflammation while boosting antioxidant levels in the liver. This also lowers the risk of developing liver cancer and fatty liver disease. Black and green tea. Black and green tea both appear to improve enzyme levels and fat levels in the liver. Be careful, however, if you're taking a green tea extract, because it may cause damage. Obviously, you can't eat portions of all these foods every day, but you definitely want to work in as many as you can, as often as possible, as an effective means of protecting liver health.